Greetings people, today we're going to speed up WordPress again and we're going to change the memory. So we go into your cPanel, and this is the new cPanel, and everyone should now have updated to that new cPanel. And if you haven't, all you have to do is just look for File Manager if you're still in the old one. So we need to find File Manager, which is just here. Click on File Manager. If you haven't been into the back here before, you'll have to open up the hidden files. So click on, so there's two things that could pop up. If you've been in here before and you've opened the hidden files, you'll get a different screen. So if you haven't been in here before, you need to click on Show Hidden Files and then click on Save. And then if you've got a couple of URLs in there, you need to just double click and open that one up and we need to find, just scroll down to wp-config. Okay, I'll just drop this down so you can see what I'm doing, because there's something you have to do and it's not in screen at the moment. So we've got wp-config. I need you to now click on Code Editor. Now click on Edit. Okay, let me just drag this across back into view. Now what I want you to look at the top of your the code in there, and you'll see a thing called PHP just there. I want you to drop this code in here. This is the code. On the second line and third line, increase WordPress memory limit. Define limit to 256. So just on at the end of where it says P, just hit enter, and then you drop the code under the PHP. And all you do then, once you put that, and I'll leave the code in for you, don't worry, of course you're going to need that code. I'll leave that code for you to drop in, and then I'll just show you, once you've dropped that code in, just save changes like that, and that's it, and I'll tell you that it's been saved. It's if you just do it like that, you shouldn't make any errors. If you do it exactly, if you copy the code that I've gave you exactly like it is, whatever you do when you copy and paste the code somewhere, make sure you don't tap it in any way that could put it out of whack. That's the only thing that can go wrong. But if you copy the code exactly how I've put it, just check it that it's nice and all tidy, hasn't been edited by mistake in any way after you've copied it, then it'll be okay to drop in here, and can get confusing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day. Bye now.